This is Anita White with Love Your Art, and we are back again with another Dutch pour. That's right, we're going to be starting on a 10 by 20 inch canvas. And before we do, I just want to say welcome to all our new subscribers. We are so glad that you've decided to join this amazing art journey with us. We're happy to have you. Thank you so much for being a part of it and giving us your feedback and leaving comments so we can know how we can best serve you. As you know, we like to start right away, and I will be sharing with you that today I'm doing a Dutch pour using a lavender color base that I created with the Blickrylic titanium white along with the Amsterdam permanent blue violet in combination with Floetrol and water. All paints that we use are mixed with 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and water added to the desired consistency. We've had a few people ask about the consistency, so I'm thinking that I'm going to start sharing some additional videos that might allow for that kind of time to spend on specifics concerning consistency, how I mix paints, and I do have videos on how to better improve your Dutch pour that cover some of that, but I think I may spend some more time specifically on working with paint consistency since it is so critical to the entire Dutch pour process. However, today we're just going to go ahead and do a Dutch pour on this canvas, and I'm going to pop air bubbles and look for any uninvited guests to our party and give ourselves an opportunity to introduce our layering colors to hopefully a flawless foundation. Joining us today we have the Liquitex Basics, Quinacradone, Magenta. We also have the Cadmium Deep Yellow Hue by Liquitex, our Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam, and we have our Prism Violet by Liquitex Basics along with the Artist Loft Old Gold. So let's see what we can do to give ourselves an opportunity to create a design that will allow for both negative and negative space on both sides of a diagonal design. We'll start with our little squiggle here, going up to this corner, and we'll do an extension here as well as here. We'll put some red here, our yellow here, on top of our magenta, permanent blue violet here. Old gold. And we'll see what we can do with this Prism violet. All right, lots of purple on purple. I did have a viewer who asked about that. What might we do maybe to try a lavender base with some purples on it? I believe she was trying to look at some ideas for her mother for a birthday gift in terms of a pour, and I'm hoping that maybe in this video we can show her a little bit about what purple on lavender might look like, mixed in with some gold, of course, and some cadmium deep yellow hue. All right. Well, I do like this. I like this part, and I like that. That I'm thinking I might adjust a little bit. We've got negative space where we want it. It's really, really pretty. Not sure. Not sure. Love, love, love these rich colors together. And I'm thinking, the only thing I may do, let's see here. So that's what I'm going to do with it. Don't like that at all. And there's nothing wrong with correcting things or fixing it to your liking. So let's do it this way. Let's put it here. Okay. I'm just taking the base color paint and taking that whole section off, leaving it with negative space for now. Okay. And I'm going to make certain that there's paint on all sides. Cleaning this up. Okay. All right, we've got that nice and clean. And we're torching the air bubbles here, get this out. Now the option I have here is to blow here or leave it. I may do that, I'm not sure. I like this here. I like what I'm seeing here, it's just so simple. But it seems like it's missing something in that corner. You have something here, you have a little something there. It looks like we're missing something. And I didn't quite get it the last time. So we can try it again. See if it helps. I don't know if I can get it. Okay. We'll see. Just need to make sure we have enough paint here for this to blow into. We do. Nice amount of paint there. Okay, we should be good to go. Right. Much better. That is so much nicer. I like it. Sometimes you have to try it more than one time to get to where you want to go. But persistence is a virtue. Hanging in there, being patient, working with it. And I know people have said they give up and they struggle and they fight over having to do a Dutch pour because there's so many challenges with it. But it does take practice, and you can see you don't always get it on the first time, but it's important to keep trying. I may blow this a little more out, just so that's fanned out a little bit more, but it is nice just like it is. And we're checking the sides just to see everything's nice and uniform. Okay, Yeah, we can see that. Just, we'll leave it like that for now and bring you in for a close-up. Okay, here we are, everybody. We've got our close-up time now. As you can see, these nice rich colors have come together on this lavender base, and they are speaking loud and clear. Here's where we made the adjustment, and you can see how nice and rich those colors came out, and they have blended in very nicely with the rest of this design. I'm really pleased with this, and I hope you are too. Look at that nice gold. The Artist Loft Old Gold is shimmering right on top, giving us some beautiful lacing in here, along with this rich, rich color here. So pretty with the Quinacradone and the dioxamine purple. No, the Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet and the Prism Violet by Liquitex Basic. Yeah, gotta get those right. Anyway, our colors will be always listed in the description box below in case you miss anything. But I just want to share with you, I am pleased with these results. If I do anything to this one, I may take and just blow out this area a little more. I may not. I don't think there's anything really wrong with it, but I'm really happy to see the results here after making those adjustments. Let me know what you think in the comments. This is Anita White, and just remember, like and subscribe so you can be informed each and every time we have another video upload. There's a little glare there, apologize for that, but that is part of the one light that we have on so that you can see these nice, deep, rich colors and how well they blend together on this lavender base. Thank you so much for joining me again. We'll see you on the next video upload. Bye.